I'm Haley. I'm the digital marketer here at Skid Steer Solutions. I'm in our Cleveland, Tennessee warehouse today shooting some end of year sale videos. We'll see if the guys can pull it off, but if anything, hit us up before the new year for any attachments you need. The guys were thrilled when they found out that I was coming in today, especially when they found out they were going to be on camera.
Haley's back again doing her year-end sales thing. She expects us to be pros on camera every year, but really, we just want to be pros at shipping attachments fast. We're pros at shipping out attachments fast, not necessarily being in front of the camera, but if it means selling more attachments, I'll strike a pose.
See, I don't mind doing the work. Haley over here, she's got these things for action shots. Newsflash, buddy. I'm here to get attachments shipped. People think shipping attachments is slow, but not on this dock. If it's on my dock, it's shipping same day.
Okay, all right, Aaron, so I need you concentrated and serious while driving the forklift, all right? And then I'm gonna get some photos from this way and then that way, all right?
I'm not even moving. Haley says it's all about the look.
No, PJ and I, we make the dream team. He's the strong, silent type. I'm the face of the operation.
Facebook's really gonna love this.
You know, the end of the year sale is really big for us. We're shipping out attachments faster than ever before. The photos are really cool and all, but let's be real. I want to get you what you need before next season hits.
All right, one last photo, everyone. Big smiles. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Check this bad boy out. It's for sale.